Opel introduced a new Combo Life model in 2018. The new MPV is based on a new architecture, boosting interior space, versatility, and handling. Tech-wise, the model has been fitted with a head-up display, forward collision alert with pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking, automatic cruise control, speed adaptation, driver drowsiness alert, ItelliGrip traction control, heated steering wheel and seats, auxiliary heater, and a competent infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility.